thank you for watching this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can model the gift box. From here, select the box and draw a box. Here maximize the window. Then in this window I make this box like this, and a length, for example, I add the 5, 5 and 5. Okay, so this is our box. Go to modifier list here and add edit poly. From the polygon, select this and the top surface we deleted. Okay, now see. Okay, so after that, select all of the edges from the keyboard, alt and control and A, and deselect the edge of the top. And now add the chamfer from the setting. Okay, from the setting, change the number and add this number from 1 to 4 for more curved edges, and add 0.05 centimeter. So accept it. Okay, now I add the shell because I want to have two thickness on my gift box. Add the shell, and you can edit the number of inner and outer amount. I prefer that being this on 0, and add the inner amount on 0.05 or 0.03. Okay, now this is true. After that, we need a cap for our box. Okay, so for the cap of our box, we should use the move and shift for a copy on the Z pivot. So I copy this like this, and use the mirror on Z pivot and move here exactly. Okay, go to edit poly vertexes, select this vertex, decrease the height because it's a cap, and move like this, and see these two exactly like each other. We should change the cap shell, and I remove the inner amount and add the outer amount on 0.03. Okay, so this is the cap completely correct. So next step, we should have the curved edge on the edge of the cap and box. So use the edit poly again at the edge, select this edge and this one. Okay, go to chamfer. Now change this to 0.03 and this one 2 or 3. Okay, accept them. Now for box, we should try to do this exactly. Okay, select this edge and this one. Okay, chamfer in 0.003 and add 1, 2 or 3. Accept this one. Okay, so we have the complete box now, and we should add the edge for our ribbon path. Select one edge and go here, ring, and connect them. Repeat it. Select one edge, ring, connect. Okay, exactly in the center of the cap, and repeat for our base of our box. Okay, exactly like this. It's completely our ribbon path. So in the next step, we go to edge, select this one and this one, we double click and create shape. Add this again here, create shape. Okay, so we select both of these spline and go to modifier list, add sweep. Where sweep. Okay, here sweep in bar shape, exactly bar shape. Okay, and we should change the length and width. For example, 0.02 centimeter and here 0.5. Okay, so we have the ribbon completely, but it has a problem that I can zoom and show you. Cap is correct, but here we have the problem. See, okay, we should change the pivot, and it completely done for gift box 2. Okay, so what happened? Okay, now we have completely ribbon and box. After that, we want to make the some something for the top of our ribbon. Go to split line, select the line, and make the curve split line like this. Go okay. Go to interpolation and take that here to being curve, more curve, and mirror this one on X pivot, something like this, and select the move and snaps, and from the vertex move here exactly like this. Okay, then we should go to pivot and change the pivot exactly on the center of the object. Then click right click and convert to editable spline and attach this one. Okay, so we can select the vertices here and weld them together. See, okay, weld them together. And this one, because it's so far, we should change the position and move like this, and a bit I change the position on X pivot. It should be in line. Okay, weld them. Now sweep again from the modifier list like this, and again we should change the width and length from here 0 like this 0.05 0.5. Okay, now this is our base that you see, and we should copy it because we need to copy exactly in the center. uh, First we copy and then we change the pivot on uh, 90 degree like this and move exactly on the center of that one. Okay, so we try to be completely in the center. Okay, now in our move and rotate should be exactly on the center, but it is not, and go to pivot, affect pivot, and in the center of the object, then try again to rotate here like this. Okay, and a copy on instance is so useful here, and copy it again on another rotation, and we scale it for being sweet for our gift box, for example 50 or again 70. I think it's okay. Move here from move it. uh, okay, it's good in top position. We can increase the length of our ribbon, for example. I think this number or this one again, this one, change it again. Sorry. Okay, now we have complete this part. Go to front view and move exactly like this on the top of our gift box, and it's finished. Thank you for following me and watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and it will be useful for you. Please subscribe me. Thank you.